Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into photography or videography, you're going to love today's review. I'm going to be talking all about the Hohem iSteady MT2 kit, a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer that is perfect for your mirrorless camera, action camera, or smartphone. First off, let me just say that this stabilizer is an absolute game changer. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love capturing moments on the go, this device will take your footage to the next level. It's designed to perfectly balance and stabilize your camera, eliminating any shaky or jittery movements, giving you the smooth, professional-looking footage you've always wanted. The Hohem iSteady MT2 kit can handle a maximum load of 1.2 kilograms, making it compatible with a wide range of cameras, including Sony, Nikon, and Canon. It's versatile, easy to use, and incredibly reliable. The 3-axis gimbal technology ensures that your footage stays level and steady, no matter how much you move or pan the camera point. One of the best things about this kit is that it's not just limited to one type of camera. Whether you're shooting with your mirrorless camera, action camera, or smartphone, the Hohem iSteady MT2 kit has got you covered. It's perfect for vlogging, travel videos, action sports, or even professional filmmaking. So, if you're tired of your footage looking shaky and amateurish, it's time to invest in the Hohem iSteady MT2 kit. Trust me, once you start using this stabilizer, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's a total game changer for anyone serious about capturing stunning, professional quality footage. I've included a link in the description below where you can purchase the Hohem iSteady MT2 kit at an amazing deal. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your photography and videography to the next level. And while you're at it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future reviews and camera tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.